Okay, hello everyone. So today we are going to see how to compute the simple interest of given amount. Okay, so for that we're going to define the problem solution. Okay, so problem solution, we come to know our problem. So problem is that we need to compute the simple interest of given amount. Okay, so what we're going to take the inputs, take the input. So what are the things we need to take? That is a principal amount, principal amount. Okay, then rate, interest rate, and time. Okay, these are the three inputs we are going to take from user. Second thing, we use the formula. Using formula, compute the simple interest. That is the second thing. And last is display. Okay, so these are the three steps we are going to take. First we're going to take the inputs, then we're going to store into the variable. After that we're going to apply the formula, and after that we're going to display the whatever the end result. Okay, so we're going to take the inputs from user. So let's consider, first we'll say principal. It is an integer, or it may be float also, so we can say float. We'll take as a float. Then we're going to take time. Okay, so it is going to say time is nothing but we want to take how much year. Okay, time is not hour, second, or we consider as a year. Okay, so we're going to take a input as a okay, then we're going to take a rate. So how much rate? Okay, it also float or integer, but we can say it float. That is very feasible for calculation, because ultimately we need to end, either we need to round up the total principal value or amount. It's based on us. So we can enter the rate. Okay, so we have, so far we take the three inputs from user. So we did these things. Now we want to create the simple interest formula. Okay, so simple interest formula is equal to, okay, so total principal, all in bracket, because we need to calculate total principal into time, how much for years, and into rate. Okay, so into rate divided by 100. Okay, so for each 100 how many interest is get calculated. So we basically the interest is calculated for per 100 rupees. So that's why we did the 100. Okay, and now we're going to print it. Total sample simple interest is, okay, and again we're going to print payable amount is, okay. So total payable amount means total principal plus simple interest, okay. So that is nothing but the payable amount, okay. That's it. So this is our program. Now we're going to run it. So we can say, I will say 1,000 rupees, that is my principal amount. I will give it for 2 years, or what, let's calculate for 1 years, and interest rate is 5 rupees, okay. And this, okay, the sample interest is this much, and amount is equal to this, okay. So that's it. So this way we're going to calculate the simple interest, okay. So interest could be interest rate could be 5 or 4, anything. We're going to take a run again. So I will say it's 5,000 year for 5 years, okay. And again we're going to say it, or it is 5, okay. So for 5 year, this much is renters amount, and this is a total payable amount, okay. So in this way you can calculate the sample simple interest, okay. So that was the calculation totally we can use, and you can calculate it. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Thank you very much.